Hi everyone and welcome to my new course, Google Firebase, the Big Picture. My name is Ervis Trupja and I'm a full-stack web developer and trainer. You may have heard of the amazing Google Firebase platform. But did you know that Firebase offers some of the best services out there to develop fast, robust and secure apps? That means that Firebase is a great idea for anyone who wants to build amazing apps. On this course, we'll get an overview of this great Google platform. Some of the major topics that we are going to cover include what is Google Firebase, understanding core Firebase services, Firebase SDKs, frameworks, helpers and utilities, and why not use Firebase. By the end of this course, you will have a general understanding of this platform, and you can dive deeper into any of the Firebase services. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about Google Firebase with the Google Firebase, the Big Picture course here at Pluralsight.